Hands off my husband. Meg coughed up blood as Amal leaks shocking hotel pic she slept with George. According to New Idea, the Duchess of Sussex and George's affair blindsided Prince Harry and Amal Clooney. An unnamed source told the tabloid that Markle and George's close friendship created a fresh crisis in the actor's marriage to Amal. The insider also claimed that the Sussexes and the Clooney's used to chat in their WhatsApp group. However, Amal soon found out that her husband and Markle have been talking privately. Amal is pretty peeved. She's finding it pretty rude, especially since she was the one who encouraged them all to be friends in the first place, the source said. The insider also claimed that George has been trying to help Markle get back into Hollywood months after she quit the royal family. They're talking a whole lot and that's getting too much for Amal to deal with. Amal trusts that Meghan and George wouldn't do anything, but that's not the point. It's more about honor and behaving in an appropriate manner, not having these secretive conversations behind her back, the source said. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex's marriage seemed to have gotten much stronger after their bombshell exit in January. Last month, a source told Entertainment Tonight that Prince Harry and Markle also in a better space after they quit the firm. While of course there have been tensions, the family is getting through it. Given the relentless onslaught by the media, they did what they thought was right for their family and son, the source said. Rumors about Markle and George's affair isn't surprising. After all, George and Amal have allegedly been facing some marital problems. Throughout the past couple of months, tabloids have been claiming that George and Amal are living separately. They have also accused the actor of being childish. In other news, Ghislaine Maxwell's unofficial biographer has suggested that Meghan Markle may have met Prince Andrew via Maxwell and Jeffrey Epstein years before she met Prince Harry. UK's The Steeple Times in 2020 reported that a renowned journalist tipped them off to inquire whether the now Duchess of Sussex met Prince Andrew as a friend of the convicted paedophile Epstein before she met Harry. This question was revisited by Summers, the author of Ghislaine Maxwell, an unauthorized biography, in a new podcast shared on YouTube in which she explored the connections between Markle, her close friend Marcus Anderson, Epstein, Maxwell, and Prince Andrew. Suggesting that Markle's friend Anderson may have been a connector to Epstein as far back as 2001, Summers shared that the media may find a photo of Markle on a yacht in Phuket, Thailand cavorting with Prince Andrew through Maxwell. Summers also claimed that Markle had been invited to the Yacht Week 2016, an event later described as Sodom and Gomorrah at sea by GQ, although it remains unclear whether the Duchess of Sussex attended the event. The author further said on Twitter, "The Duchess of Sussex is controlled by the same forces that controlled Jeffrey Epstein.